Good morning, cyclists. Today is Wednesday, April 13th, 2022. Started a bike ride at 8:53 a.m. It's the earliest I've started a bike ride since I did the Zune Education Expedition over about a week and a half ago. Today, the reason for the early start, I have a midday appointment that I have to go to, so I have to keep my consecutive rides, days biking streak going. I have to start early. I'm riding the Linsky R300 bike today. Weather today, 75 degrees. Overcast, as you can see. Wind is out of the south at 17 miles an hour, gust to 30 miles an hour. Just another windy day. Today's route is going to be around Kingwood streets. Probably 15 to 20 miles. It'd be nice if I could go 26, but I don't have enough time for that. That would get me at 100 miles for the week, but we'll take the 15 to 20. For the ride today, I watched the finish of the Tour of Turkey and the Giro de Sicilia. Two other bike races were going on. I'll have to watch them later on a replay. Riding through Bear Branch Village, and right off the top of my head, I don't remember the name of this street. Looks like they're doing some utility work. Let's see, here's where they'll tell me what the street is. Wildwood Ridge Drive. I'm riding through Kings Harbor. Usually I ride around this instead of through it. Yeah, the barge is going the dredging of Lake Houston. Haven't seen them in a while. They've been offloading over on the east shore of Lake Houston. But they must have changed. Maybe it's because of the tearing up the road. This will be the southernmost part of the ride. Riding northeast to east alongside Kingwood Drive on my way to East End Park, where Kingwood Drive ends on the west side of the lake. There is a Kingwood Drive on the east side, but you can't access it directly. It's been a little while since I've been to East End Park. I don't expect any drastic changes. There is an alligator alley. Still riding alongside Kingwood Drive. Approaching East End Park on Kingwood Drive. I'm not going to go on any of the trails, just go down here and make a loop back. Some utilities there, water. Foot of gravel biking. Nothing serious though. Computer just clicked over, beeped on 10 miles, so this is an official bike ride now. At least for outside. I'm riding alongside of Mills Branch Drive. I'm on the west side. Started out on the right side, but the greenbelt ended. Riding through Woodstream Village, Kingwood. Fair Falls Drive is what I'm on now. I think this is the first time I've rode through Woodstream and not had to use my map on my boat computer, although I did miss a turn just a few minutes ago. Fortunately, it was a cul-de-sac that I rode into, and so it was obvious quickly that I was on the, didn't make a turn. Okay, we're going to exit Woodstream Village, turn left on Dogwood Acres, and go to Mills Branch Drive. Riding northeast on Honey Road, or Drive. Second time since they resurfaced it with some nice asphalt. Before this, it was lumpy and bumpy. I'll go up ahead and turn left into Royal Brook. I'll have to use the boat computer map. I get lost every time I'm in there. Riding northwest on Royal Brook Manor Drive. At the stop sign, I'll turn right. That'll take me on a couple streets, and then I'll go into Country Colony before I turn back to the south. Into the wind, no less. Exiting Country Colony on to North Lake Houston Parkway. Looks like they're clearing some land, more land. Okay, I'll be riding into the wind for a little while until I get back to Mills Branch Drive. Left off of Mills Branch Drive into North Kingwood Forest. The subdivision, I never can remember the right words or the right order.